Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade grape jam. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 4 pounds of fresh grapes, like Concord or Niagara, for their rich flavor. Also, have 7 cups of granulated sugar ready, along with 1 box of powdered fruit pectin. Don't forget 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. It brightens the flavor and helps the jam set beautifully. These simple items are the foundation for delicious homemade jam. Now, let's get those grapes ready for cooking. Begin by thoroughly washing all 4 pounds of grapes and carefully removing them from their stems. Transfer the clean grapes into a large, sturdy pot. Use a potato masher to gently crush them, releasing their natural juices. Then, cook the crushed grapes over medium heat for approximately 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until they become wonderfully soft and juicy. With your grape juice ready, it's time to make the jam. First, strain your cooked grapes to separate the juice from the skins and seeds. Measure precisely 5½ cups of this vibrant grape juice into a clean pot. Whisk in 1 box of powdered pectin until it's completely dissolved. Bring this mixture to a full, rolling boil that you cannot stir down. Then, quickly stir in 7 cups of sugar and return it to a hard boil for exactly 1 minute. Finally, let's preserve your delicious homemade grape jam. Ladle the hot jam into sterilized half-pint or pint canning jars, ensuring you leave 1/4 inch of headspace. Wipe the jar rims clean and secure the 2-piece lids finger-tight. Process these filled jars in a boiling water canner for 10 minutes. Carefully remove them and allow them to cool undisturbed for 24 hours. Once cooled, check the seals. Properly sealed jam can be enjoyed for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.